Welcome, Tech Follow.
Hey guys. You will be glad to know that we want to show the best product in this video for maximum advantages. You will definitely be interested in buying this product. We have make this video by spending our overall feedback and time. We have show in here product quality and the right price. So whether you want more different your best budget. Hope you check out the link in the description below. So let's choose the right product through video analysis. Product name: electric skateboard with wireless remote control. 7-ply maple deck. The skateboard is made of 7 layers rock hard maple deck that has better flex, more stable and durable. It can withstand all kinds of stamping collisions without deformation. Max load is 80 kilograms. Ergonomic wireless remote. The skateboard comes with a 2.4 GHz wireless remote control that controls forward, backward, accelerate and brake. Its control distance can reach 14 m. With LED indicators, keep you informed the skateboard battery level. 3 speed levels. The skateboard with 350W motor has 3 speed modes for beginners or advanced skaters: low, 6.2 miles per hour, medium, 9.3 miles per hour, and high, 12.4 miles per hour. It's equipped with a 29.4 V2000 mAh lithium battery with a maximum range to 5 miles, it can be fully charged within 2 hours. Easy to use, the skateboard features durable .7 cm PU wheels, and with kicktail and concave for added control, so you can glide smoothly on the street no matter what your skill level.
Make a choice in the video. If you have seen our video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates of our channel. Make sure you check out the description for the links to find the latest price for this products in this video. Thanks for watching.